wants to show their skills. Everybody wants to get there faster, make their way to the top of the hill. Each time you try, gonna get just a little bit better. Each step you climb is one more step up the ladder. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch on low and be the best that you can be. Everybody wants to make a statement. Everybody needs to carve their mark. To stand alone in the victory circle. State the claim when the music starts. Give it all you got. You can be the very best ever. Take your best shot. What you've learned will come together. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch on low and be the best that you can be. A Pokemon Johto. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place.
This song reminds me so much about all the times we went to Connecticut and we went up to the club. Tonight, we're gonna draw a blackwargreymon. This Digimon looks a lot like Wargreymon, and well, it also has a sense for justice.
You can be a Pokemon Johto.
I'll repeat the song.
Pokemon Johto. Pokemon Johto. Everybody wants to be a master. Everybody wants to show their skills. Everybody wants to get there faster, make their way to the top of the hill. Each time you try, gonna get just a little bit better. Each step you climb is one more step up the ladder. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch on low and be the best that you can be. A Pokemon Johto. Everybody wants to make a statement. Everybody needs to carve their mark. To stand alone in the victory circle.
He may look like Wargreymon, but this guy, at least he has a heart.
Take your best shot. What you've learned will come together. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch on low and be the best that you can be. A Pokemon Johto. It's a whole new world we live in.
He had a goal of
It's a whole new
finding the strongest
way to see.
opponents to engage in combat with.
It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch.
He found the one against a Zulongmon.
It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. Come on, Jojo. All right. Come on, Jojo. Come on, Jojo. Everybody wants to be a master. Everybody wants to show their skills. Everybody wants to get there faster. Make their way to the top of the hill. Each time you try, gonna get just a little bit better. Each step you climb is one more step up the ladder. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude, but you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. Pokemon Johto. Everybody wants to make a statement.
Here are the wings.
Everybody needs to carve their mark. To stand alone in the victory circle. State the claim when the music starts. Give it all you got. You can be the very best ever. Take your best shot. What you've learned will come together. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. A Pokemon Johto. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best.
Here are the
that you
wings.
can be. Pokemon Johto. Yeah.
There we go. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw a blackwargreymon. That's so interesting. Who's your favorite Digimon? And if you have a request, just go to... Just write down a comment, and you can check out the playlist. That's all the time I have for now. And I'll see you all again soon. Stegosaurus, see you later.